So today was a day of great contrast. We're here in Berlin. Yesterday we toured a former work camp, otherwise an extermination camp, to truly understand the rebuilding of the German correction system after such atrocious human rights abuses. They rebuilt it and reimagined it in a way that we're looking at right now here with the Vera Institute. Today was a really interesting day. We took a tour of two facilities in Moabit. One a closed campus and one an open campus. Behind me you can see the open campus setting that we have here. And the closed prison was one that was pre-trial. It was traditional, long tiers, general traditional corrections, forward-thinking but generally traditional corrections. And here at the open prison, a new way to think about doing corrections by assessing risk and assigning people to live in settings like you see behind me and keeping a job and visiting with their family while serving their time here and rebuilding their life in a way that will make them more successful before they come back. Really interesting system to take a look at. It's fascinating to see whether or not something like this can work in the United States, but at the very least, we're opening our eyes and opening our minds to new ways to think about corrections. One of the things I will say is that it does seem to have good results. And one of the other important things is it costs less money. Open prisons like this are less costly because they have less personnel in them. And sometimes we forget about the taxpayer dollar being spent while we consider the safety of our communities. And here, what they claim here in Moabit is that they have better outcomes and they have lower costs to doing this business. So a great day here in Berlin with Vera. Looking forward to tomorrow and then soon off to Norway.